had it up there on their billboard today in New York. So, you know, I think that there's a corollary there. Maybe NASDAQ acquires Coinbase somehow. That'd be wild if that happened. But, you know, NASDAQ has stated that they are going to tokenize stocks in the second half of 2026, along with the New York Stock Exchange. And also Paul Adkins, the SEC chair, has advocated for that as well, along with Larry Fink. And again, like, when I say $1,000 XRP, like, that's what is going to be required to settle it real time on the back end between the DTCC, or with the DTCC between the clearinghouses and the brokers. And they're going to need that. That's the first place they're implementing distributed ledger technology. So, you know, tokenization of stocks could happen on Canton or another network, but the settlement, I think, will absolutely be through XRP. But to your question on what are some of the other cryptos I think will have some scarcity and price appreciation, I think Hyperliquid. I mean, we've already seen a pretty significant rise in Hyperliquid with the perps trading that's on chain. That's a big deal. Their integration with Hidden Road was pretty cool to see. I don't know if that one will continue to see, but I mean, that's the whole value prop for that token, is as they generate returns through their business, they buy back the token and they burn it. So if you're talking about scarcity, that's probably one of them. When you're looking at, you know, price appreciation and adoption, XLM and HBAR, I think, are probably both up there. XDC as well. All of those, I think, will be adopted and used, and they'll have some pretty significant volume move over the network, which will cause demand and scarcity of those assets. Not all of the XDCs have been put out on the market. Same thing with HBAR, same thing with XLM. There is, you know, some held away. So all of those could have some scarcity and significant demand that drove the price higher. One of the sleepers that's out there is Hash. I've talked about that one before. That's Provenance's blockchain token. Figure Markets is where you can buy that at. Again, not advocating that you go buy any of these. I'm just talking through stuff that I think is cool and probably will have adoption and, you know, use case in the future, some utility. Another one that